Alright, it's going to be hard to hear me, but today I'm showing you the hosting setup. So we have two half-rack cabs. Already got them unlocked. Plenty of battery backups. Most of these are R210 Series 2 servers. And they're all labeled with my labeling system that I created. So we can find a client's server right away. We have a just temperature sensor. We also have a water, in case a leak happens in here, and we're getting notified right away. We have battery backups on everything. Mixed between APC and Triple Light. A lot of the units are not powered on right now just because we just started. But yeah, that's the current setup right now. We'll show you the back. We have everything pretty much locked down. We got yet to organize this, but we have 10 gig dual link fiber links, and then these are just 1 gig backbone in case the main copper goes down. So we have plenty of backup. IP over KVM, we have plenty of those. And here's another rack with all the main servers. So we have red as our main public, and then the yellow and the blue is our private network that controls the iDRAC with our custom made control panel. So yeah, that's about the server setup that we have right now. We have a second server room that has a lot more network equipment. That's why you don't see much in here. But yeah, we're gonna get this organized and get this cleaned up. And then we have our 10 gig coming down that blue chassis. Yeah, that's about it.